Welcome to Learn English with Stories Daily. Today is English listening practice for beginners. You will learn 10 useful words for taking a taxi and then travel with Sarah on her very first taxi ride in London. Stay to the end for the quiz. Let's begin. If you do not understand every word, do not worry. You can listen to the story many times. The more you listen, the more English you will learn. Taxi. A taxi is a car you pay to take you somewhere. Repeat after me. Taxi. Taxi. Driver. The driver is the person who drives the car. Repeat after me. Driver. Driver. Address. An address tells you where a place is. Repeat after me. Address. Address. Meter. The meter shows how much money you must pay. Repeat after me. Meter. Meter. Fare. The fare is the price of your journey. Repeat after me. Fare. Fare. Traffic. Traffic is many cars on the road together. Repeat after me. Traffic. Traffic. Seatbelt. A seatbelt keeps you safe in the car. Repeat after me. Seatbelt. Seatbelt. Route. The route is the way you go. Repeat after me. Route. Route. Tip. A tip is extra money you give to say thank you. Repeat after me. Tip. Tip. Receipt. A receipt is a small paper that shows you paid. Repeat after me. Receipt. Receipt. Well done. Now let's listen to today's story. Sarah is in London. Her flight has landed. She is tired, but she is very happy. She walks out of the airport. Outside, she sees a long line of black taxis. A friendly driver smiles at her. "Hello. Do you need a taxi?" he asks. "Yes, please," says Sarah. The driver opens the door. "Where are you going?" Sarah takes out a small paper. "Here is the address of my hotel," she says. "The Rose Hotel. I know it," says the driver. "Please, put on your seatbelt." Sarah puts on her seatbelt. The taxi starts to move. Sarah looks out of the window. She sees the big city. She sees red buses and old buildings. "Is this your first time in London?" asks the driver. "Yes," says Sarah. "It is very beautiful." Soon the car stops. There are many cars in front of them. "Oh," says the driver, "there is a lot of traffic today." "Do not worry. I know a faster route." The driver turns onto a quiet street. Now the car moves quickly again. Sarah looks at the meter. The numbers are going up. She is a little nervous about the fare. After 20 minutes, the taxi stops. "Here is your hotel," says the driver. "Thank you," says Sarah. "How much is the fare?" "That is £15, says the driver. Sarah gives him £20. "Keep the change. That is a tip for you." "Thank you for the safe drive." "Thank you very much," says the driver with a big smile. "May I have a receipt, please?" asks Sarah. "Of course," says the driver. He gives her a small paper. Sarah takes her luggage and waves goodbye. She is ready to rest. If you are enjoying this story, tell me in the comments. Do you like taking a taxi or do you prefer the bus? Now, let's listen to the story again slowly. Sarah is in London. Her flight has landed. She is tired but happy. She sees many black taxis. A friendly driver smiles at her. Sarah gives him the address of her hotel. She puts on her seatbelt. The taxi starts to move. Sarah sees red buses and old buildings. There is a lot of traffic. The driver knows a faster route. Sarah looks at the meter. Soon they arrive at the hotel. The fare is £15. Sarah gives £20 and leaves a tip. She asks for a receipt. Then she takes her luggage and rests. Now, let's check your understanding. Question number 1. Which city is Sarah in? Think about it. The answer is Sarah is in London. Question number 2. What did Sarah give the driver to find the hotel? Think about it. The answer is her address. Question number 3. Why was the car slow? Think about it. The answer is there was a lot of traffic. Question number 4. What did Sarah leave for the driver? Think about it. The answer is a tip. Question number 5. What small paper did Sarah ask for? Think about it. The answer is a receipt. How many did you answer correctly? Tell me in the comments. Thank you for listening to Learn English with Stories Daily. Keep practicing your English every day. Remember, small steps create big progress. Tomorrow, Sarah checks into her hotel and finds her room. That is our next story. See you there.